Hello guys, I am from Gogras Maths. Today I shall discuss divisibility concept related to Arabic numbers. Now let us see. First concept I am going to discuss here. Tips for divisibility divisibility by 2, 5 and 10. Concept number 1. The unit place digit of any number is 0 to 6, 0 to 4, 6 or 8. If the unit place digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. Zero, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even numbers. The unit place digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then that number will be divisible by 8. Second concept I am going to discuss here. If the unit place digit of any number is 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. For example, I shall write, for example here, imply that if I write here 2, 1, 6, 7, 8, here you can see 21,678. In this number, unit place digit is 8. Unit place digit here is 8. This means that this number will be divisible by 2. Second concept I have written here. Here you can write is divisible by 2. Second concept I have written here. The unit place digit of any number is 0 or 5. Then that number will be divisible by 5. For example, 51685. So here you can see in this number 51,685, the unit place digit is 5. The unit place digit is 5. This means that 51,685 will be divided by 5, because here in this number the unit place digit is 5. Is divisible by 5. Third concept I am going to write here. The unit place digit of any number is 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. Here I have written the unit place digit of any number is 0. Then that number will be divisible by 10. For example, I shall write. For example, if I write here 10,610, so here you can see unit place digit here is 0. In this number 10,610, the unit place digit is 0. Is divisible by 10. This is the concept you must remember. Now, next concept I am going to write here. Just go through once again. Tips for divisibility by 2, 5 and 10. First one is unit place digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then that number will be divisible by 2. For example, 21,678 is divisible by 2 because in this number the unit place digit is here 8. Third concept, the unit place digit of any number is 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. For example, 51,685 is divisible by 5 because in 51,685 the unit place digit is 5. That's why this number will be divisible by 5. Third concept here, the unit place digit of any number is 0. Then that number will be divisible by 10. So here you can see 10,610. In this number, the unit place digit is 0. That's why 10,610 will be divisible by 10. Next concept I am going to write here. Tips for divisibility by 3 and 9. Let us see. What does it say? Tips for divisibility by 3 and 9. So here I shall write first one concept I am going to write. The sum of digits, the sum of digits of any number, the sum of digits of any number is divisible by 3. The sum of digits of any number, किसी भी संख्या के digits का sum is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Next concept I am right here. For example, if I write here implies that sum of digits of any number, if I write here 1, 3, 5, 135 I have written. So you have got 135. 135 is a number. Any number I have taken here. 135. Now find out the sum of digits of 135. The sum of digits 1 plus 3 plus 5. You will get here 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. That's why 135 will be divisible by 3. If I make like this 3, it will go up to 4 times. So 3 4 are 12 we will get. 4 times 12 we will get. Now 1 5, 3 5 are 15 you will get. Now we have got 45. 45 we multiply to 3 here. We will get here 3 5 are 15, carry 1. 12 plus 1, 35. This one you have got. This is correct. Like this. Now next concept I am going to write here, second one. The sum of digits of any number is divisible by 9, then that number will be divisible by 9. The sum of digits of any number, किसी भी संख्या के digits का sum is divisible by 9, then that number will be divisible by 9. For example, if I take here example implied that sum of, if I write here 1 8, now sum, find out the sum. So here you will get 1 plus 8, it comes out to be 9. 9 is divisible by 9. That's why 18 will be divisible by 9. 18, 9 to the 18. Like this. Next concept I am going to write here. Tips for divisibility, by 4 and 8. Let us see. This concept, first concept I shall write. Tips for divisibility by 4 and 8. Here I shall write for 4, the last 2 digits of any number किसी भी संख्या के अंतिम 2 अंक, if the last 2 digits of any number are 0, for example, implies that 7500. So here you can see 7500. In this number, last 2 digits I have taken here. Any number, 7500 is any number, and last 2 digits 000. Then this will be divisible by 4. If I write here 75 divisible by 4, it will go up to 4 1 ja 4, it will go 5, 35, 7 8 ja 32, we'll get here 3 0, and now 4 7 ja 28, carry to 0, 7 5 ja 20. So now this one, 7500 is completely divided by 4. This is correct. The last 2 digits of any number are 0. I have taken an example here, 7500. In this number, last 2 digits are 00. Then it will be divisible by 4. Again I shall write, if the last 2 digits of any number if the last 2 digit of any number, किसी भी संख्या के last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then that number will be divisible by 4. This is the concept. If the last 2 digits of any number, किसी भी संख्या के last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then that number will be divisible by 4. This is the concept. If I write here 5 1 6 8, so here for example, easy I have written 5168, the last 2 digits here 68. The 68 are divisible by 4. 1 4 2 8. 4 7 ja 28. This one. So completely last 2 digits 5168. Last 2 digits are 68. The 68 is completely divided by 4. That's why the number 5168 will be divided by 4. This is the concept. Now, last concept I am going to write here. The last three digits of any number are 0. The last three digits of any number, किसी भी संख्या के last 3 digits are 0. For example, 7 4 6 8 000. So here you can see in this number last 3 digits, any number, this is the number, or last 3 digits are 0. That's why is divisible by 8. This is the 8 concept. Is divisible by 8. This number is divisible by 8. Again I shall write the last 3 digits of any number, किसी भी संख्या के अंतिम 3 अंक are divisible by 8, then that number will be divisible by 8. This is the concept. The last 3 digits of any number, किसी भी संख्या के last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then that number will be divisible by 8. So these are the some concept I have mentioned here. Last concept I am going to read once again. These are divisible by 4 and 8. First one, last 2 digits of any number are 0, like this. 7500 is divisible by 4, divided by 4. If the last 2 digits of any number are divisible by 4, then that number will be divisible by 4, like this one, 5168. So here you can see in this number last 2 digits are 68. The 68 will be divided by 4. That's why 5168 will be divided by 4. Last concept, the last 3 digits of any number are 0. Here you can see in this number last 3 digits are 0. That's why this number will be divided by 8. Other concept, the last 3 digits of any number are divisible by 8. Last 3 digits of any number are divisible by 8. Then that number will be divisible by 8. These are the some concept I have mentioned here. These concepts are mentioned in Vedic mathematics. Divisibility concept I have performed here. Very useful for competitive examinations while tackling questions related to arithmetic calculations. Okay guys, thanks.